Seriously, this plan is on. Like, unbelievable at how things have transpired in the last 3 or 4 days, because this was nowhere planned.
First of all, he told me to start. उसके बाद वो खुद he started blabbering on.
Before that,
Welcome
what's
back.
poppin' YouTube? Welcome back to Two Brother Vlogs. 3 of us are going to be on bikes. Shraddha, mom, dad and Aggu are going to be in the car for now. After some time इसको भी फेंक देंगे, then we can pick up speed.
देख लेंगे देख लेंगे.
We can't go fast with you.
And we are heading to Dindi. Many of you guys actually guessed it was Tirupati, but no, we are going to Dindi, close to East Godavari.
Tirupati is not a holiday destination, it's a place of worship. So we're going to go for a holiday.
तुझे पता है ये लोग कुछ प्लान भी करे टेंपल जाने के लिए.
I am not coming to any temple now.
चलो.
I'm going to unwind myself.
Motor vlog mode.
Yes, see you guys on the road. We finished our breakfast and it feels like, look at that, the amount of sun which is in today.
Time is 10:20 and the temperature is 32 degrees right now.
And it is honestly unbelievably hot.
It's going to be hotter.
Yes.
Sea coast जा रहे हैं ना?
It will be humid. And also the temperatures are
Oh,
higher.
by the way, we never forget this. Currently we are at Suryapet, so 150 kilometers was
Done, and we started at 7. We reached here 9:15. 2 hours 15 minutes for 150 kilometers. Not a bad pace actually. Quite a lot of traffic on this road. So chalo, let's catch you again on the GoPro mode.
I initially thought of going directly to Vijayawada from here, but looking at the temperature and looking at the heat,
It's not possible in this heat. You know what? There was a lot of range anxiety. Look at that. We have a range of 5 kilometers left when I've come into the fuel pump. Jeez. There was no petrol pump for the last 15 minutes and it was crazy. We went mad looking for it. I literally started in limp mode. Look at this traffic. I've been stuck in this for the last 15 minutes. Bumper to bumper, and oh my god, it's hot.
I did. The hot sun, bro. Look at the traffic. It's insane. How are you even driving?
not driving, I'm riding, bro.
Oh yeah. How are you riding?
Riding with a pillion and panniers. Look at him.
Same. No matching.
Ducati's heat, bros. Freak. Unbelievable. It is.
There were actually a few cops here, and
Take this Jaguar after a while.
there were a few cops here, and they said the CM just passed by, and because of that, the entire road was blocked. So probably he told us to wait for like 30 minutes. Then after that, we can probably push off. So that's what we are doing. Stop. Ducati was super hot. It actually overheated. Africa Twin with the panniers and with the pillion behind me, it was tough to filter through traffic. Chalo, we ran out of water too, so we're going to sit here for like 5 minutes and then we're going to push off. We just started. I know there are protocols because he's the CM, he's a very important person for the state and for the country, but there was an ambulance stuck with us for like what, 45 minutes in the traffic. What about them? I'm not complaining, no one can do anything about this, but oh god. Guys, it's थोड़े clear roads, dude. Oh god. Oh god. So there are banners put up in middle of the road and on the side of the road. So this was actually pre-planned. So they should have kept some kind of a deviation or a sign, warning sign saying that this road will be closed for some time, or there's going to be VIP movement on the road. No, this is insane. We've been stuck for like so long and it's super hot. Do you see that? Do you see the air temperature on the bike? It says 45 degrees Celsius. Oh, babre.
Spoke to Shraddha. and realized they were a crazy whooping 30 kilometers behind us. So what we're planning to do now is find a chai tapri or something around and stop there. You see that cute little baby there? And Agu was playing with her for such a. They both were playing such a. Yaar se yaar. It was so cute to watch them actually. We didn't record it, we were just watching them and enjoying.
We almost offer like what 25 to 30 minutes for our parents to come, and the reason we stopped here because we have to take a deviation which is like what 2 kilometers from this place. We just crossed Tanaku, and the hotel will be in another 30 kilometers. The final stretch of 30 kilometers is taking us more than 1 hour. Let's see. And as you guys already know, from the point where bad roads begin, Africa Twin shines. Oh, and I'm actually still surprised. Sharanya is actually still sitting behind me, and she sat all the way from Hyderabad till this point, and she wants to continue the journey till the hotel, and she doesn't want to quit in middle. 10 minutes after that deviation which I told you, this is the road. The road is not bad, the road is very small, and we are actually going through towns, but look how green everything is. Coconut plantation everywhere. There are few banana trees as well, banana farms, but every single where coconut trees. It's like coconut tree ka canopy bhi hai na. We are getting that feeling as well. Look at that. It's very different from Kerala. Slowly, we are going deeper into small villages. Look at the roads. People are actually so laid back. I mean, if you see them, and if you compare these people to us living in the city, it is totally different. The time is around 6:15, 6:10, 6:15, and people are off work and they're back to their places, and we almost reached our hotel. So 800, as you can see, 800 meters to our hotel, and on our way here we came across palm trees, coconut trees, banana trees, and shrimp farming, a lot of fish vendors. Yeah, look at this. Okay, the road ends where our resort starts. Okay, is this the resort, or should we go deep inside? What's happening here? This thing is spooky. Okay, this is another resort. Okay, road to khatam ho gaya, and it said that we are already entered the resort. Okay, I see some board here. Pallaveri, Godavari, Sterling Resorts. Where? Left or right? Probably left. Ooh, look at that. We have our exclusive pond, and the Godavari river is also very. I don't know, I'm thinking this is the reception.
I don't find any reception. It said you have a right. I think the middle one is reception.
No, that's not the reception. We'll ask someone. Reception, huh? Seems that we have reached the hotel. So peaceful, dude. Time to explore, and then I'll give you guys an update.